I dance and you rich. Everybody know that. You have to dance. You out that's why you're bright, you broke your fuck.
Yo, see them here? See them here, you know? See nice clean lady in her Honda CRV or big vehicle drive past. You know, see me if you fuck the big woman in a drive our car. Pussy you even have license much less. Suck your mother boy.
If I have some friend anytime when I have conversation about food, and everybody else say they eat mackerel, I also have that one friend them. Me not eat mackerel, shut up like any mackerel. You eat mackerel, just go on. Go on and behave like your shit can make patty and you more and mackerel. Fuck you, you doing mackerel save enough life. You need a mackerel and me and us, you need a mackerel, so stop walking and tell the people them like, alright, bye now.
Ladies, this one is for you. No make no boy hurt up your head. Like literally, no boy hurt up your head. Remember good now? Remember your pum pum tight.
What you say?
I said I'm looking for someone to settle down with right now.
More, when? Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Can't find that now.
See the girl them, teacher, lady. I wanna like that middle finger. Me these get you open, these need a window. So good in the bed.
Some man do breast and the breast them tough, no blood clot. Lick out the man teeth them. Some man do so the pussy tight and they think. Why?
I say for a man, me get up want some fuck and the boy, me and the boy pull up. Boy, I want some fuck, I don't know if it sounds to anyone on the boy on TikTok want one good, nice, pussy be fuck. Just text me. Now me
Ditch you.
Well, do you not go ditch me? Can't tell her one song we say, in your mind, no girl can whine like you no time. You see enough for my mind, no girl now get my June plum. A whole heap of June plum up on the tree.
Big chest, me a daily dumb.
A whole heap of June plum up on the tree, so them go pick them own a June plum. What if for me can't be for nobody else? I was in a relationship for 5 years and God dashed me out tight. And when me dash out tight, me I say, why lad? And if it's a crazy, you're going to find somebody who will love you. The June plum. All right, if it's here, them come and I say, if it's in Brighty, but him a tell me, say, him want be my man. I say, watch a trade, am I needly one string? Look at that, 6 months after, the same out said no, come back, come say, yes. Yes, I'm.
You know, say broke girl raise up my bumper class sinus. Why the girl them look good, good shape, pretty face and everything. The girl now no bumper class ambition dog. And you see girl them with the flat body, and girl them come with the whole package. Can't take care of your treat and nice heavy blood clotting off your back 100. But you look good girl and us broke so I raise up my. Me I drink till thy kingdom come. You vex about it? I was on my life, darling. I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't talking to you. You vex about it? Start a live and make you and yourself watch it, man. I chat too much, man. Oh, yo.
Me not busy with them people there. Me not busy with them people that bother mix me with them people that miss. Me all about myself, miss.
Right now, I go high school for 2 years and add. I miss out all that 3 years and add, and them a send me go back to school now. You know, better me go chop a line and buy car and build house like everybody else. Then I say, that's a go on. Right now, me can better say 95% I get to you them now go back to school. I be a girl pick me and go back to school. Right now, look up boy them. Nah, go back to school. Everybody a chop a line and get rich.
Hear the boss tell her.
Before you did breed me, I see him summertime. I'ma not change my life deep for please God.
Yeah, you don't go on, make it turn the right hand. Little more you can check, my feed the money run a frank.
Them now run them black. When we pull up, them have to run left back. 9 ball inna the click come back. The dark like please, so me fly them back.
Protocol we have 100 chop. Molly get pop, whole place get hot.
I was doing my nighttime routine, but then
But I'm not. You don't deserve the one thing that you are. And now I remember when you called me late at night.
Tiana Mata Dark you fuck.
Here, if I ever send it up in your mama right now pussy little boy, don't text back this blood clot phone. Come and tell us, please do not text back this phone. You tell my boy can't wife her. Go wife your mother, your granny, and your everybody, your generation. Look boy, if I ever look here now, don't text back this.
Things were going serious with this Jamaican lady, and she was like, I want you to meet my family, but you don't speak patois. Guan bat me hard. I'm not like you.
Big woman thing, might rate you to 1,000%. But you see, if me and your Bex are sitting and go on and me I try to talk to you and you not try to talk to me, allow you a bum buckler alone.
Like rough girl. Yeah. Them a girl can't see me naked. Go look at work. Yeah. You just get up every day and just you know. Me not like you, girl. Me not like you. Go look at work.
Ladies, I want to be honest as you can. Ladies, you ever have sex with a man yet and instead of you are making nice, or the man are making nice, you have one life, a quiz in throat, and you put a gun on your neck. You just make pain as you have to say, what the fuck?
Some of them women come for TikTok about them and Dolly. And as they take off the makeup, they favor Chucky. And no can't come for me neither for me know me a Fiona. When me transform me that Shrek wife.
You see, no boy can cheat me and fuck me now. A boy have to pretend like a man them are coming at the Lifetime movie. We pretend with the girl them and then come in good and say go to the supermarket, your kids are right. All them just ask me about my kids them. I saw a boy can cheat me and fuck me now. No boy can come cheat me and fuck me. You idiot. I must me want to give you some fuck. Come like your fuck. But no boy can cheat me and fuck me. I pass them days there. Yeah. A pussy we sell. So if a boy not have your money, you not get no pussy. And them way they will deal with people. So when I talk say, some girl can make it look like a man had the problem. A una no blood clot problem. A man not do nothing. A una the problem. One in a relationship or a man a look on a mission. No, when take up some boy and boy, the boy like me, the boy, the boy can't on the front seat, the boy don't want you. Enough of we could have man, you hear? I true friend and family fuck with you, enough of the girl them par with we. Should them say look one man like with them care news and bun bad candle. Yeah, that me say. Enough of we why we not a man, a family and blood clot friend, cause you have enough of we when we have some family and the man them ready chew and ring, them talk up a bag of things about when the man them disappear. But anytime for we time blood clot come, I don't need the
idiot, yeah.
dunce like that is what? Me are one of the dunce but them. Me no need for be bright cause me can't spell my name. I don't need to take no book for the
Stop arguing with some people now. Nowadays, when I'm arguing with people, I'm going to ask you what you have. Declare what you have. If you have more than me, I go sit one side and I behave myself. Because me can't argue with people with things more than me.
Yo, me see me laugh with some people who say the worst, terrible things about me. And them feel like some me no know. Lord Jesus.
Ivany will kill you with jokes.
My man them now fuck no batty. So could me you want to care batty man for argue with. You have to care them for argue with blood clot Akeem. Akeem, cause the last screenshot me see, you say you stop talking to Akeem cause you can't take the batty man is him. And she do look girl, there's a fucking transgender. You want to know the truth about your page, if you come talk the truth about your blood clot gender, you worry about the wrong thing. The wrong thing you worry about it. And you not even have a little coolness about it. You see you want back page. Suppose me didn't really have the page because of your attitude. You couldn't get back the page. I sorry, I never blood clot. I'm going to turn it on and go up on live. I say I'm going to turn it on and go up on live another day. Yeah. For sure you all bad. The page I would have a second. I'm going to take up your page. I'm going to use your page. What's in have nothing boy? You know that is nothing boy. That's even your blood clot vice. What's is a band batty man? Yeah, is a band man. I can fuck out your batty. The all too big in now. Bro, tightness for fuck out. You want to deal with them. I can batty will stretch them there. The only blood clot batty want is snow. The only cocky Akeem want is snow cocky. And Nicholas cocky. You know them the man that walk with a size 10 cocky. But you see like my man now I have to glue it up with blood clot gorilla glue. Ignificant cockroach was. At least my man tell me what they are and some look like iPhone, but the iPhone look good. The iPhone come with an apple where you can't eat it off. Nothing depend on your blood clot iPhone. Not even the apple. Not even the camera depend it. It's just the empty iPhone. Nothing depend it for eat. Nothing depend it for take picture. It just plain and disgusting. At least me have like a curves-ish. You don't have nothing worse. You're straight like the blood clot string right here. So you don't even have like a breast. Sometimes you see you wear clothes and some I don't tell your own Batman look on you one time in one video and ask what you do with Brazil because you don't have no breast. What you suck too much blood clot cocky and your face look like a cocky. What you fuck too much batty and you don't even have a batty. You
to me good, no come to me with no antics. This a pretty pussy and a pussy for your ramp with. When a 6:30 and me a clamp it. One fuck me give you, we no need for romantic. Me a girl we like it when they sitting gigantic.
Nice. But I'm nearly dead 2 times. I'm not feeling no way about it.
If you are peaceful, do not text my phone because I'm man in my message you. Every time I go online, see little green turn up so like a mannequin. Nah, move, rooted and grounded. I want your favorite then gone, and little come below them. I just feel like you want to surf me and text me. After you left me round the back like axes, wait me for substitute. But you move from me so.
Hey, girl, go and leave your bum buckle at place, no man.
Move down. That's a more okay, one more time. Say fine.
Just check, we can't get to use me on in a rasta. But if you will more lift your bum buckle, I tell them to come take you up and carry go put on a pipe, you know. Leave me and go on, no man.
If you give me one.
It's a soca, yeah. I can't girl tune when I read him. Alright then, my girl, I want to live in your own like crap. I want to install my key down in your door now. I live in your own like crap. I want to install my key down in your door now. I say I want to live in your own, I mean literally. I want to install my key down in your literally. Never me. Alright then, alright then.
Big up me with the mixed parts
With the
body.
mixed parts body. Me no grudge dolly them. Mixed parts body girl still a win. Yeah. Little bit of belly, back roll, and spear tie up on the side. Then watch leg and tie she. Me no grudge dolly them. Big up mixed parts body girl them. Mixed parts body girl them still a win. No grudge dolly them. Right shoe, right there so. Mixed parts body girl still a win out here.
New Year resolution for enough girl, you know. That's all.
New Year resolution.
New Year.
New Year. New Year's
Resolution.
New Year's revolution.
Resolution.
Yeah, girl. Shake. Yeah. Laughing. Jada is laughing, people. Jada here. Jada is laughing. Me if you breastfeed pitney pandemic after then if them here long go right as so people. Don't tell me some breast they don't pint up in the sky or straight forward, they are long, they sag. So imagine when me have pitney. Dear baby daddy, future baby daddy, the baby daddy that God has planned for me. My babies aren't sucking on dice. Yeah? They're gonna get buckle. Big buckle, little buckle, small buckle, medium buckle, broad buckle, wide, not dice. Not dice. My breast, so imagine my breast going to the floor. I'm okay.
I can call man, I can ask man if man good. But guess what, no? Remember, you know, if me give you $100 today, done, you know. But when me care about you and respect you and love you, you understand that lasts long until you prove me wrong, you know. So watch out. Which one of them have the more value? The $100 or that? Sometimes when you know no hurt. Because guess what, no? When you go there dead. And people now go care about you, because when people care, you know, all about the fast life, the flashy this, the flashy that. But guess what, no? As me done a video, you know, me a black one. No! Right now!
She's a serious
Now come and Jamaica and down get some hard fuck destiny. Get some good fuck go back home Monday.
Good fuck.
No, not gonna like me for this now. You know some man can boss up too. You're not a man there all long. You don't work, but all you do is want to do your nails and your ears and you want Burger King. Zine? Fast food you don't cook. A boy alone at work. You come on TikTok and make man come people tell you about oh man forget woman money and you're not supposed to. You are a queen and queen should be taken care of. Okay, remember? You left boy now because you see one at a man come him wear good clothes and him start give you enough more money than what man a yard a give you a yard. Even though you live somewhere now. You left boy. Alright? You turn out for be a fear because I wear and left clothes him and wear and them friend them money my gear was sent from foreign, right? And boy move on and find one different girl where I work now and boy start look good. Now you want back boy. Are you brighty? Go on, miss. Go under with the fake one. Go.
So this happened today.
Kerry, you sign up my picnic in a special ed?
Yes!
You lick your head, man. You lick your head, man.
What you mean is an income that for us?
Income what? You want no special ed. You know special ed what?
What are special ed?
Kerry, just like the just like you look slow. He slow up. He can read better than you. He must see things better than you.
So what's wrong with you? Me didn't say you would have been happy about this to you.
We're not happy about no special ed. Cause we're not special ed.
What do you girl? Warm to you girl?
To you. To your big pussy girl. To your Salamite girl. To your dead old girl.
So you just start fuck the man. And after the second fuck, the man start eat your pum pum. And Papa will tell us that the first him I do it. And my girl, you believe him? You believe him? You believe him?
So anytime you can't find your man, if they be in me in a the position, if they be in me, if they be in me, your man love in the middle section.
People, man, me can't post him. I mix parts. Can't post him, people, man. Mix parts.
Thank you, my darling. Thank you, my honey. Thank you, my darling. No one can take your place in my life. No one can take your place in my life.
I need to stop the ramping. I need to stop the plane. I need to stop the ramping.
Okay.
Everything I don't know, my friends know the word. Everything I don't know, I only have plain ramping YouTube.
This is the part of the mix. We're supposed to just grab a chair and put it in the center. Why? And they sit on a trampoline and I read up your pussy like a magazine. You sweet like tangerine. Yeah, what you gonna do for me, girl? Sit down on the cocky like a rocking chair on the rock.
I just wake up and my day meds. The worst that I break up them are the one them where you get left. I swear, the one them where you're the vulnerable, you weak to the person, and the person go do some fuckery, or the person go lift you. I'm telling you this, lick up my blood clot too. But all I can say is, you see, so the next man get my heart, baby, I have to come good. I have to come fucking good. Cause a man now make me sad and depressed again. Lick my chip, that done gone bad already. So the last like this.
What your man name? First question. And favorite color? Blue. What your favorite dish? Me.
I not look for you, you know. I not really look for you. I not made you right now.
Thing me no know. Thing me no know. Thing me no know.
When they do the picture, they might have
Romantic mood. I'm fucking with my baby.